Hi everyone, so welcome back to third video of our JavaScript loops. There is one more loop is pending, which is the while loop. So let's try to know or understand more about it, like why it is required and why we use. So as the name specifies, while, so the loop will continues to work while the condition doesn't met. So for example, I will try to write it here. While this condition which will be write inside this body is true, till then your code should execute. So let me give you a basic example, like let your count is equals to 0. So while count is less than 10, try to understand, if your value is not specific or it is not getting a condition properly, then be careful for this condition or this loop, because it can crash your system or hang it. So while using this loop, be cautious, be careful. So here you will have to, how your count will reach to 10, okay, you will have to increment it by, this is the basic syntax for increasing a value by single instance. Like count plus plus will make count 0 to 10, not in a single attempt but one by one, 0 1 2 3 4. So for just checking purpose, try to do a console log. We are still using the one compiler tool, which is you can try directly without setting up your environment. If your environment is working, you can try this code inside your preference of coding editor. Otherwise, please use any of the online tool like one I am using right now. So the while loop will print count. Should I am going to click the run, it is starting from 0 going all the way 9 because it's less 1. If we say is equal to, it will also print the 10. So there are some certain things you need to consider before. Careful, be careful. If this condition is something which can make the loop to run towards infinite time, then your system can hang or crash also. So the previous two loops, which is map and for loop, was simple in use, was also running for certain conditions, or like map has a different architecture. But while using this loop, which is while loop, be careful, be cautious. So this is the one thing I told you. There could be multiple conditions or logics you can develop around it based on the condition of code. So please do exercise around these loops. Next video onward, we will try to do something new in the JavaScript. So please make notes, do practice, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.